Retail Fast Track, Week 1, Lesson 1. How to develop an effective retail strategy that drives business growth. In today's competitive market, it's essential for businesses to develop effective strategies that not only get their products into retail, but also fuel business growth. So let's explore the key steps to craft a retail strategy that maximizes your chances of success. Our first step is understanding your target market. It's crucial to ask yourself who your ideal customers are, what their needs and preferences are, and where they typically shop. By gathering data and insights about your target market, you can tailor your retail strategy to effectively reach and engage them. Next, you need to define your value proposition. What makes your product unique, and why would customers choose it over alternatives? Consider factors such as quality, price, features, and benefits. Craft a compelling story around your product to pique the interest of both retailers and customers. Once your value proposition is crystal clear, it's time to research and select retail channels that align with your target market and product category. Evaluate factors such as foot traffic, customer demographics, and competition. Consider options such as brick-and-mortar stores, e-commerce platforms, or a combination of both. Building strong relationships with retailers is also essential for getting your product into retail. Network at trade shows and industry events to meet potential retail partners, and be prepared to provide samples, testimonials, and case studies to demonstrate your product's potential. An effective retail marketing strategy is critical for driving business growth. You need to consider elements like product packaging, point-of-sale displays, promotions and incentives, and in-store demonstrations. Finally, once your product is in retail, monitor its performance closely. Track sales data, customer feedback, and market trends. Use this information to refine your retail strategy and make necessary adjustments. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are key to success in the retail world. Crafting a high-impact retail strategy requires a combination of market research, relationship building, and effective marketing tactics.